Good morning, class. It's time for math. Today's lesson is going to be lesson 11-5, which is page 661. Now, on your checklist, it says we're skipping lesson 11-4 for now. We're going to work on it next week. But today I want to explain this. We're going to see how to regroup using blocks. Well, at school, we have those big blue blocks. The 100 blocks look like this. It has 100 different spaces. And then the tens block are long and they're divided into 10. And then you have the little square cube that is the ones place. But instead of drawing all of these individual squares, what we're going to do today, when you do your work on your page, all you have to draw is this square, and that is going to represent 100. And you'll draw a line for 10, and you'll draw this dot right here for ones. Let me show you how it works let's do this problem together. It says there was 427 people are at the beach. 182 people are swimming. How many people are not swimming? Okay, so I'm going to write this problem right here. We don't write in the blocks up here because that's for when we regroup. So, all right, 20, it's hard to write upside down, 27, and how many are we taking away? 182 minus 182. So that's what your problem should look like. Leave these blank up here. Now, what number should we draw? We start off with 427. Well, let's look how many hundreds. Let's see, 4 hundreds. So draw 4 blocks for the hundreds. 2, 3, and 4. We have 2 tens. 1, 2, and 7 ones. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Erase that. So, we want to take away 182. Well, we can take away 100. And I'm going to use a pencil. In case I mess up, I can erase. Let's take away 100 because we're taking away 182. 100. That leaves 300s. Now we have to take away 8 tens. There's only 2 tens. How can we take away 8 tens? Yep, we have to regroup. So this is what regrouping looks like. We take this 100 and we're going to move it to the tens place. Now, when we move this 100 to the tens place, it becomes 10. 10 tens. Watch. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. See? So, we changed this to this, right? Now we have enough. In the tens place, we can subtract 8 tens. So I'll just cross off 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So how many tens are left? Count the blue ones and the black ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens left. Oh, we forgot about the ones place. We still have to take away 2 ones. So 1, 2. which leaves 5 ones. Now, let's see what that looks like over here. Now, when we're subtracting, let's just start with our ones. 7 minus 2 is 5. Right? We had 7, took off 2. Now, in the tens place, this is what happens. You can't take 8 tens from 2 tens, so we had to regroup. We took one of the hundreds. This is what it looks like here. Cross it off. Change this to 3 hundredths. That's how many we're going to have left. And then we'll take it over here, cross this out. When we add the 10 tens, we'll get 12 up here. Right? So you take off 1, put it over here, and then you have 12. That's what we had here. See, 10 plus 2 is 12. This is a visual. I know you know how to regroup. Sometimes you forget. Some people just try to subtract upside down from the bottom going up. Can't do that. We have to regroup. I would call your name. You know who you are. Now we can subtract. 12 minus 8 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And 3 minus 1 is 1, 2. Because we took that one away and that one we moved over here. So now we have 2. I know it doesn't look like a 2, but it is. So it's hard to make a 2 upside down. 245. So 427 minus 182 is 245. I know it took a while to explain, but I wanted you to be able to make the pictures correctly and to be able to draw your blocks. It's really not that hard. Oh, guess what? Look what happened. My marker went through the paper. So I guess you'll have to do those on your own. I'll just read the numbers and we'll see what we can do. Number 1 is done for you. And you look up here at the top. Those are your examples. They're doing 328 minus 133. And that's what they did. They regrouped. They moved the 100 over there and made 10. And then they could cross those out. And that's what it looks like. And they came up with 195. You see how that works? Just like I showed you. Now my paper, my Sharpie was bleeding through here. We have that problem done for you. Good example. But this problem right here, 363 minus 127. Let's start off with, and I'll try not to draw it too hard, but it's 3 hundredths. How many tens? Right here. You can probably see better on your paper. It's 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones? 3. 1, 2, and 3. We have to take 7 ones, but it's only 3. So we'll have to take one of the tens. Take one of these tens, it's 6, make it into 5. And take it over here, make this into 13. Right? Now, we can take this. This is what the picture looks like. Take that, put it over here, make it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you have 13. Now you can take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do you have left? 5. Can you say, now you have 5 over here. 5 minus 2 is 3. And we have 3 minus 1 here is 2. Okay, let's see. We can take away 2 here. We move here. 1, 2. Take away 100. 235. So both of them add up. Get it? And the other one, let's see if we can do that one as well. 546 minus 271. Can you take 1 from 6? Yeah, if you got 6. Let's do it. Let's draw the boxes here. I have 500s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know they're not all exactly straight. And we have 4 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. Then we have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's subtract the ones. Okay? We have 6 ones. We take away 1. Pow. There you go. How many is left? 5. Now, we have 7. We have 4 10s, but we want to take away 7. Oh, wait a minute. It's only 4 down there. We have to take one of these and put it over here. And this is 100, right? Take that 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. Now, you have to make sure it's 10 lines down there. 10, because we took that 100, made it into 10s. Now, this is what it looks like up here. We took one of these. We have 4 left. That's so I won't make it upside down. And we took one of, and we put it over here. So we have 14 here, right? 14 at the top, 4 over here. Now we can take away 7. 14 minus 7. Well, we have 14 here. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 minus 7. Yeah, it's 7 because 7 plus 7 is 14. I have 400s here. 100, 200, 300, 400. Take away 200. Take away 200. And that other one is gone. So you have 200 left. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. If you didn't get all of that, you can rewind the tape and copy that and go back over it. But next, I want you to complete this page on your own. Draw your blocks and also do your regrouping at the top. Okay? If it's really too easy for you, then go ahead to the next page and do page 664. I know some of you are probably finished already. Good job. All right. When you finish, just send me this page. I want to see how you've done. Thanks. See you next time.